Hakasngi ba penkut ya ka Jingjia ya ka road safety months bala Pynlong ha parking lot badon persha ka SBI main branch Shillong lawan bansaki da ka kong RM Kurba ka badai ka DC ka East Castle Hill district uhe pulit ka tanat peniyai kali ha Shillong uke prasad du president ka kinhun kinongnya akali sorkar uba sis emli badru ki donlang kinongnya akali OSP traffic East Castle Hill district uke prasad haba aijing kren hakne kesni ula ong ba ha Snem arajar arpulai tang ha Shillong la don kumba sau pun riu tli ki Jingjia Tyngkhuh kali ba yo lum jingkhen ba sau pho tli ki Jingjia la yo lum jingkhen ba ki dei ki bala khlat ki briu haba phai pat ha Snem arajar arpu sau badang dep tang shibinai henre la yo khen hadu henriu tli ki Jingjia Tyngkhuh kali bat ngosi baladu hadu henriu ngut ki mensim briu bat la kumba khatlai ngut ki balamat jingmen sau kine ki e jia na mar ka Jingjia kali khlam akor bat ka Jingjia overtaking u president ka government driver association haba ajing kran ulapin pau bana kalyang jongki kum ka association ki Kwah ba katanat ka badai pen kan Pynlong ya ka Jingjia rakhe ya ka sngi ka bakar pang jongki nyongnya kali man ka Snem ba lese ladala man Pynlong ya ka ne ka sngi kerpang kan Kham Duna ya ka Jingjia Tyngkhuh kali.
Pynlong city last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons were sustained grievous injuries. I am talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others. And we are overtaking in the busy markets. Whereas Basimdi, he has already given the brief details. And it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each other, it carry no meaning. Because traffic is generally who are on the road, they are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The drivers who sits carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceeds more than 30 mg in per 100 ml blood, you are unable to control as per the MD Act. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol because you lose your judgment.
Jingjia district, sharu Garhils ne Jantian West July na kausian matlong meeting, banti alakam ne hukumnya akali di government driver. Kata anak kalian ka government assistant milik mani. Ni pulang ka bes, ni pulang ni I message, ni pulang di program. Bakam tam kalau mana kali recently kadang ka Jingjia keren, buat ka transport department, ba jirang Kwah ben propose madam na kalian ka Meghalaya government driver welfare regarding the drivers day. Ni Meghalaya ngim juraki ka mereka drivers day. Ngim juraki. Ni Kwah hiru bagi ada message hakamat PG press hakamat ni madam jingi tolong bala ma'am ni request ni jingi tolong bala implement ni drivers day for Meghalaya. Mesti manlong Snem kendang kini di program. This kind of program it should be each and every year along manlong Snem every year kan manlong ni program. Nada kadang kata drivers day. Bukan langsung ke transport department kan lek apa ya kali. Nah, kali drivers day kali bulan kam na try kali ke accident wa try can reduce ba. Langsung in rakhi ke drivers day drivers day, doctor day, father and mother's day gipon. Ini semua per drivers day. Drivers day kamu include tang yu taxi le, kamu include tang yu tourist le, kamu include tang yu banyak government le, kamu include yo pro habang drivers day. Bro, udah bahot pasal lebih ke drivers dia. Hang tu ni yo ban keren bon ke issue agenda regarding the driving. Kita kali nak kalian ke amjul request Ahmad Deputy Commissioner ini